This is a brief overview of GulpUi, which is used for neutron scattering. GulpUi is divided into a number of tabs which have different functionality. The first is the run type tab, and on this drop-down box you see a number of run types, MD, Monte Carlo, optimization, fitting, phonons, just to name a few. These are designed to give the user opportunity to input things like the ensemble, time steps, temperature, and MD. Monte Carlo, they can insert probabilities of displacement, rotation, or different atoms or molecules to be inserted and set the chemical potential. Energetics can be input, options for that. Optimization variables such as what optimizer to use, and stopping parameters can be input, as can fitting parameters for a variety of experimental data, including elastics, constants, bulk moduli, dielectric constants, and so on, heat capacities. These can be used as parameters to fit potential parameters too. And one can also do phonon calculations involving specifying a k-point mesh or phonon dispersions through different high symmetry points, such as the gamma to the W to the L and so on. One can even do gamma point calculations for infrared or Raman complementary experimental data. One can specify free energies to be optimized and so forth. You can see there's a variety of options for Gulp users, and in addition to the constraints that can be added to these run types, the structure can be modified here. The structure is typically imported directly from VNF, so allowing the user simply to specify things like whether they want to do a shell model calculation. They can add additional atoms here if they so desire. They can specify charges or atoms that they'd like to optimize or fix, or so on. The unit cell likewise can be specified in more detail, including space group. The potentials, there's a variety of pre-existing potentials for oxides, metals, organics, including an opportunity to input your own both one-body, two-body, such as the Buckingham. Simply type in the constants and add the potential, and that can be either used in an MD or phonon or Monte Carlo calculation, or can be fitted to and optimized. There's various other options, and very complete UI for all types of classical optimization. This concludes our